All right, so this is the IPR for our gas injector. And as usual, from the IPR data section, we will go to equipment data section. Double click, deviation survey, downhole equipment, and geothermal gradient will be edited. Click edit. Okay, now we need to provide injected fluid temperature. You must enter a value here, injected fluid temperature or injected gas temperature. All right, and the injected gas temperature is 65 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, click edit. Now we need to provide the deviation factor or deviation survey. You can follow me. To 80, 2460, 2450, 2905, 2883, 3335, 3300. This one, 4650, 4560. Interesting. 5010, 4900. All right. And now you get the cumulative displacement and the angle and check the plot. Okay, so we have vertical section here, and starting from this level, we go like this one, deviated well. Okay, click finish, click done. And now we need to provide the downhole equipment data, Christmas tree at 0 level. And then we have tubing 1000, right? Tubing ID 4.5. Tubing inside roughness, we use this default. And let's say we also have subsurface safety valve, 4 inches, the ID. And again, we have tubing down to 4,800 with ID of 4.5 inches. And lastly, we have casing down to 5010 with casing ID 6.13, casing inside roughness default value, and rate multiplier 1. Click done. And lastly, we need to provide the geothermal gradient. The overall heat transfer coefficient is 3. And you can follow me. Okay. 75 degrees Fahrenheit. At reservoir depth, the temperature is 165. You can click plot. Okay. Finish. Click done. And we will follow the numbers for the average heat capacities. Click done and check the summary in table and in picture. Okay, we have Christmas tree, tubing, subsurface safety valve, tubing, and lastly casing. Click done, done, done. All right, and we need to wait for a while. All right, now the Prosper is ready. We have the well schematic here. All right, and of course, now we are ready to perform the calculation, the simulation. We go to calculation, system IPR VLP, inflow performance relationship, and vertical lift performance.